afternoon, Facebook. It's Robert Weichelt coming to you live from the corporate office of Weichelt Wednesday. Today is Weichelt Wednesday Realtor Spotlight, but I wanted to really focus in on, this coronavirus thing. There's a lot of stuff going, a lot of talk about coronavirus. They're closing down, school and sporting events, and I personally think it's a little overblown after talking to a lot of the, some of the experts and reading some of the experts, what they have to say. But with that said, I definitely hope it moves on quickly because I don't want anyone to get hurt. But I'd like to talk about that for a second. And this gives us an awesome opportunity to talk about EXP and the world and the virtual office that we have available. And you can see it right behind me in the screen here. But this is the virtual office. This is where all of our employees currently work. I can go to any department. I can go to a welcome area. I can go to the auditorium where they do training. I can go to a private meeting room and meet agents all over the country and talk about EXP, talk about growing our business, and it's fantastic. There's, if you want to go into the payment processing, I've spent a lot of time in there. When you close a transaction, you want to get your CDA, your commission disbursement authorization. You want it correct, so escrow knows how to pay you, how much to pay you. That's kind of very important. I spent some time in IT. I've had some computer issues. I go into IT and they'll go in there and say, oh, here's what's going on. Click, click, click. Your speaker wasn't working right, or your web browser was this, or it's just so amazing. All the tools. You have a broker question. You can go right into the broker, no matter what state you have. I have an agent in Florida, so I went right into the state room. It's the broker state room, so you can see it right here. Went into the broker stateroom, spoke to the broker of record for Florida, talked to her about our auction platform. She loved it, by the way, but it was great. So I had a chance to really have dialogue. So I'm really excited by this. We have over 450 employees. It's all virtual. That's where we're going, ladies and gentlemen. We're going virtual. We're going Amazon. No more brick and mortar. That's what EXP is all about. I'm going to talk to you about what's really cool, and that's the reason why I wanted to bring this up today, is I literally have my own office in the globe here. I mean, this is so amazing. Wait, let me log in real quick. It takes just a few seconds to log in, and then we go right into where my team is. My team, and I don't think there's probably going to be anyone in there right now because, there's Kelly Jones right there. So what we do is this is the waiting room for our team. So we have offices down both sides, just like a regular real estate office. And we can go over here and see, for instance, let's say I want to go in there and talk to somebody about KV Core. Our CRM is the best CRM on the planet. I can go in there and talk to James one-on-one. I can attend his classes on how to use it. Kelly Jones just did a really good KV Core class on emailing your database, which is so helpful. And if you want to copy that, be sure to reach out to me. Let me tell you another thing. Joseph Limo, another wonderful guy on our team. He's a business planning expert, and he does a presentation that is the best I've seen when it comes to business planning. Most agents, we don't have a plan. And I tell you what, if you want to know what your business plan looks like in real estate, let you know. We've got Instagram. We've got an Instagram expert on our team in our office. And if you look right here to the right, free leads, and it also, what it does, it talks about when he's in his office. He will actually be in his office on Mondays between 11 and 1 Arizona time. If you want to drop in and learn everything you need to know about Instagram, that's your guy. Look at our team. We've got my buddy Jeff, who's I don't know if anyone out there is watching right now that wants to be a luxury expert, but Jeff Russell out of Orange County is our luxury home specialist. He's awesome. He takes multi-million-dollar homes all the time and knows how to speak the language. So if you want to get into the luxury home market, Jeff Russell is our guy, is our go-to guy. Over there to the right, you see boardroom number 1. We have our Tuesday morning meetings in Boardroom 1 where we all get together and it's all done, and it's just a wonderful way to meet as a team. But here's the best part, and not really the best part, but the part I'm excited about the most. Check this out. I've got my own office, and a lot of you out there know that I love the auction platform, and I'm actually the auction home specialist for our team, and our team is the only one with the auction platform, so I'm very honored to hold that title, but I have my own office. So let's just go walk into my office right now. You can come in and walk and run right into the wall real quick, no problem. But I want to show you a couple of things about this office first. Check this out. I can go in and I can change. Yeah, how many times have you decided you wanted to update the furniture in your office? It costs you thousands of dollars to do that. Watch this. It takes me 2 seconds. Let's say I want to have no one in there, just standing room only. We're networking, we're talking, we're just dialoguing. Or let's say I want to go to more of an intimate setting where I want to have just 4 and we could sit down around the table and chat. And this one right here is if it's one-on-one or one-on-two, it just come on into my office. Let's chat. I had a number of meetings today. Agent in Tennessee, an agent in St. Louis, an agent in Hawaii, agent in Florida. We were sitting in my office dialoguing like we were like right in front of each other. So coronavirus ain't got nothing on us, right? So anyway, enough of that. But this is what I want to show you. Check this out. I'm gonna turn this into a meeting room where you can go right here. And this is kind of a meeting room. We're all sitting around the meeting table, and I can go right to my auction platform that I'm so proud of. And you can kind of see what's happening. You can go in. Here's the auction. Takes a couple of seconds to get going. We've got, I just plug in and I'm away we go. We have a coming soon up in Skyhaven, up in Oceanside. We have another one coming up in Normal Heights. And we have our first listing in Florida. Super excited by that. But here's some other properties. We currently have an open active listing at 2618 Upus. We have one getting ready to close on Broadway. But what I wanted to do is kind of show you what we have the ability to do. We can have an office meeting from the comfort of your own home. I mean, heck, I did a bunch of meetings this morning in my pajamas. I know that might be too much information, but you know what? I rolled out of bed, threw on a hat, and I did some meetings with some folks in Florida. They're 3 hours ahead of us. So, hey, I got up and we did some work. But look at this right here. I'm doing a full presentation. There's the property. There's the video. Here's the information on the property. Look at that, 16 bids. Not too shabby. We ended up getting 470, 456. But here's the best part of our auction platform. All transparent bidding. There's all the bidding right there. There's all the people that came in and bid on the property, when the open house is. The sense of urgency bidding process ends Thursday the 23rd at 5 o'clock. And that means that you better hurry up and get your bid in or you're going to miss out. But this walks you through the whole process. Seller reserves the right to accept, counter, reject, talks about our buyer premium, talks about how to register, how to get pre-approved, the terms and conditions, proof of funds, fully underwritten. It just tells you exactly what you need to know. Here's one thing you need to know. Bidding auto extend. Let's say it's an auction that's ending Friday at 5 and 5 minutes to 5 you think you want to come in and add a bid just to be the last guy. What happens is it automatically extends 10 minutes. So everybody else has an opportunity to be a part of that. So anyway, I can come in here, I can go into my virtual office, and I can do the training. I can go and sit in this seat. I can sit in this seat. I can change my office configuration. I can just do all kinds of cool stuff here. I can do another presentation over on this screen. And I can type in, let's see, what we want to, SD, MLS. I want to go into the MLS real quick. I get my MLS. I can do all my training on how we go in and go through the MLS. I don't need to go and bore you with the login information, but everything's right here. I can do all my training inside my office. If you're in San Diego and don't feel like driving down, if you're in Hawaii to Florida and anywhere in between, we can all meet anytime you like. So this is Robert Weichelt with EXP. I wanted to share my office and let you know that we are here should you want to grow your business. We're looking for quality agents from, like I said, from Hawaii to Florida and everywhere between. We want to help you grow your business through our auction platform. through all of our tools and everything that we have to make your life easy. So this is Robert Weichelt saying no to traffic, no to the coronavirus, and yes to success. Have a great day. Talk to you later.